Hi, my name is Rine, and I'm on No 10BLE Questions for my album. Let's go. Why the name Lagos in Venda? Um, just imagine. I am taking Lagos from Nigeria and put it in Venda. Taking Lagos in Nigeria, put it in Venda. That's the lifestyle. That's the experience that I'm trying to have. Cause I love how Lagos people live, bro. Their food, yo, yo, hey. How many tracks on the album? 20 songs. Can you explain the artwork? Okay, the artwork, there's taxi rank, there's passport, there's a map, there's also a sign that says Lagos in Venda, and there's also me with the attire also. Um, it explains that there's something going on. I am going somewhere. I'm having my passport. I'm going to taxi rank. I had to get to the map. I had to find the place Lagos in Venda. Yes. Why should someone listen to your album? Bro, go and listen to all my songs. I'm telling you. Go and listen to all of them. Don't hesitate. My songs are spiritual. My songs are encouraging. My songs are not for entertainment. My songs are there to touch your soul, to change your life. You'll thank me later. Which song do you think will stand out? Oh, yo. This one is hard. Yo. I think track number 2, Real Life, or track number 6, called Kilo Day. That's my selection. Don't judge me. I know I have hit songs, but one of those two or all of them, they can stand out. Which song was hard to complete and why? Real Life, track number 2 on the album. That's why I had to place it there, because that song took me 2 years. I recorded the hook 2 years ago, then I had to finish the verses last year. I took a year and a half to complete 2 verses, and that song it's a real life. But anyway, that's why it was hard. Who did you feature most on the album? Awesome Fame, Awesome Fame, the man on 3 songs. Can you name all the features on this album? Yeah. First one, JR Player, Mesophil, Awesome Fame, Mpo L, Chris Beats, Pale Boy. That's the features. Mm. What's so different about it? The fact that it's sounding like it's Nigerian and well, it's Vandarian. it's crazy, man. Like the difference is the sound and the message and the accent also. People used to complain, bro, why are you impressing Nigerian people like that? Bro, it's how I'm gifted and it's how I feel comfortable, bro, making music. And I'm doing this for Venda people. I'm Venda and I'm representing Venda. Let them, Nigerian people, know Venda, bro. Let them know us. Let's make different, and that's what is gonna make it different. When is album out and when can people get it? It's out 1 February 2024. It's gonna be available on all digital platforms. Thank you for participating, and I thank you, Aubrey Reaction, for these no-tenable questions with Rine on Lagos in Venda album. Shout out.